Hello everyone, welcome back. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. In today's lecture, we will be studying about one more application of the Sutra Ekadhikena Purvena, that is doing additions. How we used to do additions using the Sutra Ekadhikena Purvena. We will be seeing in this lecture. Okay, so before we start today's session, those who are new here, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well, so that you can get the notifications of our upcoming videos. Okay, so without wasting our time, let us continue with our today's session. Okay, see, in this the applications of Ekadhikena Purvena, these two applications we have studied in our last lecture, right? So if you haven't seen the last video, you can find the link of that video in the I button or in the description box. You can see from there. Okay, now in today's session we will be studying about the third application, that is how to do the additions using the Sutra Ekadhikena Purvena. Okay, so let's see how we used to do the additions using Sutra Ekadhikena Purvena. Okay, so students, for doing the additions using this sutra, that is Ekadhikena Purvena, we must be familiar with dot method. To do these additions using this sutra, first of all we need to understand this dot method. What is dot method? Okay, so let us see what is dot method. In Vedic maths, whenever we apply a dot over any digit, suppose I say 1 dot, then this digit is considered as its preceding number. Okay, similarly if I say 2 dot, it will be considered as 3. In the same way, 3 dot will be considered as 4, 4 dot will be considered as 5, 5 dot will be considered as 6. Okay, so this is only the dot method what we will be using in doing the additions using this Ekadhikena Purvena method, right? So let us see how to do the additions using this dot method. Okay, and one more thing, we will be using the base number as 10. Okay, so base number as 10 means all those numbers which what we will be adding here will be near to base 10. Okay, now let's do this addition and see how we need to apply this dot method. Okay, suppose I start from the downside, and yes student, one more thing, in Vedic maths we can start doing the operations with any of the operation we are doing, whether multiplication, division, addition or subtraction. We can start from any of the side, either from downside or from upside. Okay, so let us start from the downside. So 3 plus 2 gives us 5, 5 and 7 gives us 12. Now see, here at this stage we got a 2-digit number on doing additions. Okay, so see, whenever we obtain a 2-digit number on doing the additions in at this place, we need to put the tens place digit as a dot to its neighboring number wherever we obtain the 2-digit number. Okay, see, we added 3 and 2, that gave us 5. Again we added 5 to 7, that gave us 12. So we obtained a 2-digit number at the place wherever 7 is written. So the neighboring number of 7 is 5. Now we need to apply the tens place digit of 12 as a dot to 5 and need to continue the addition using only units place digit. Okay, now here we don't have any other number to be added. Okay, so we need to write this 2 over here in the answers part. Okay, now again see the next line, 1 plus 9 gives us 10. So again here we will be putting 1 dot to the neighboring number and will continue using the units place digit, that is 0. Okay, now 0 plus 5 dot, 5 dot will be considered as 6. So 0 plus 6 gives us 6, right? Again the next one, 4 plus 4 gives us 8, 8 plus 2 gives us 10. Okay, so in this by this way we need to do the additions using the sutra Ekadhikena Purvena. Okay, this is the method what we need to follow in doing the additions. Okay, so let's practice some more additions. See, here we need to add 72 to 28. Okay, see, 8 plus 2 gives us 10. Again we got a 2 digit number, so the tens place digit as a dot to the neighboring number and units place digit over here. Again 2 plus 7 dot is considered as 8, so 2 plus 8 gives us 10. Okay, this is the answer. Let's see the next sum. 8 plus 4 gives us 12, so 1 dot over here, that is 2 the neighboring number, and 2 over here. Again 9 plus 3 gives us 12, again 2 here and 1 dot. 3 plus 9 gives us 12, again 2 here, 1 dot here. 1 plus 10 gives us 11. As simple as that. Let's see the next one. See here, 2 plus 1 gives us 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, so 1 dot and 1 here. 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 5 is 12, so 2 over here and 1 dot to the neighboring number. Again 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, so 1 dot to the neighboring number and 5 over here. Again 0 plus 2 gives us 2 and 2 plus 8 is 10, again 1 dot over here and 0 over here. See, 5 plus 3 gives us 8, 8 plus 10 is 18. Okay, so this is the required answer. Again the next sum, see, 3 plus 7 is 10, so 1 dot over here and will continue with the units place digit, that is 0. Again 0 plus 0 will give us 0, again 0 plus 8 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 dot over here and continue with 3, 3 plus 0 is 3. See, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, so 1 dot over here and will continue with the 0. Now 0 plus 1 will give us 1, again 1 plus 9 is 10, so 1 dot over here and will again continue with 0, so 0 plus 5 is 5. Now see, here we are having only dots, no digit that we need to add. So we need to count the number of dots, and as many dots are here, we need to write it over here. Okay, so we are here having 2 dots, we will write 2 over here. This is our answer. Let's see the next one. See, 3 plus 8 is 11, so 1 dot, not over here, we are adding from the upside, so 3 plus 8 is 11, we will be putting the dot to the 7 and 1 downside. Again 4 plus 8 is 12, so 2 over here and dot over here. 5 plus 6 is 11, so dot to the neighboring number and over here 1. 6 plus 4 is 10, so 1 dot over here and 0 over here. Again 7 plus 3 is 10, so dot to the neighboring number and 0 downside. 8 plus 4 is 12, so dot to the neighboring number and 2 downside. Again 9 plus 5 is 14, so we write 14 as it is. Okay students, in a starting, while doing these additions using this the method of Vedic maths, you might feel it a little difficult as compared to that conventional way. Okay, but as much as you will practice, you will be more familiar with the procedures that is being used in doing the additions using Vedic maths. Okay, So as much as you will be familiar with this procedure, you will find it much easier as compared to the conventional way of doing the additions. Okay. So keep practicing these procedures so that you can get familiar with these, and as much as you will practice, it will become easier for you. Okay, so that's it for today's lecture, and again we will be back with some more applications of the sutra Ekadhikena Purvena. So till then, keep practicing and happy learning. Thank you for watching my video.